Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to change your Vercel root directory. I'll be showing you this on the Vercel web dashboard. First, open the Vercel dashboard in your browser at ver-cel.com/dashboard. Once that loads, you'll see your team dashboard with all your projects listed. If you need to, use the team switcher to make sure you've selected the right team, then find the project you want to change the root directory for. Click on that project card. This opens your project overview page where you can see your deployment history and project details. Now, look at the left sidebar and click on Settings. This takes you into the project settings area where you can configure various options for your deployment. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Build and Deployment. This section contains all your build configuration options, including your framework preset, build command, output directory, install command, and the root directory setting we're here to change. Keep scrolling within that section until you see the root directory field. By default, this field is empty, which means ver-cel uses the root of your repository. You'll see a text input field where you can enter your custom path. Click into that root directory input field and type the path to your desired root directory. This path is relative to your repository root, so for example, you might type something like apps/frontend or just client. Whatever path your source code lives in, that's what you enter here. Once you've typed in your path, you should see a Save button. Click that to apply your changes. You'll see a confirmation message appear, letting you know your settings have been saved. Now here's the important bit. This change only applies to your next deployment. The setting won't affect anything that's already deployed. You'll need to either push a new commit to trigger a deployment, or manually redeploy your project for the new root directory to take effect. One other thing to note, you can't use two dots to move up a directory level. Ver-cel won't let your app access files outside the directory you specify here, so make sure the path you enter contains everything your build needs. This setting is particularly useful if you're working with a monorepo, where your deployable app lives in a subdirectory rather than at the repository root. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.